Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make images glow in Canva. First, go to the Canva site and make sure to log into your account. Now go to the Upload tab on the left side. Then upload the specific image you want from the device. Adjust it on the page and drag to zoom in. Next, click the BG Remover option at the top menu bar. It'll remove the background in a while. Here, select the image and duplicate the image using the top options. Once duplicated, click the Edit option and the side panel will open. From the effects, select Duotone. Then click the Amber option, or you can also use another effect. Next, set the intensity and the shadow color for the glow you want. After that, go back and select the blur effect. In this effect, choose the whole image option and increase the intensity. Put the shadow image on top of the original image. Now right-click on it, go to Layers and select the Send to Back option. The image will be sent back to give it a glow effect. Adjust it on the page and darken the background color to enhance the glow. Once you're satisfied, save the image to your device. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.